Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert phone call voice conversation into text in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first is just open the phone or dialer application, and now just click on these three dot icons, click on the settings. Now here you will see call captions, just click on it. So just turn it on. Now below you can select the respective languages and select your respective languages. So only this much languages are being supported right now. Let's just move back. Now let me try to do a phone call. So I'm getting a phone call. So now let me receive it. So now you can see here text call. Just click on it. So now hello everyone. So whatever you speak will be recorded here. So you can disable it just by clicking on this button, and you can start talking like the normal voice conversation. And once you end the phone calls, you can reopen the phone application. Click on the recent calls. Now just click on the phone calls where you have enabled the call captions. As you can see, one icon here appearing. Just click on it. Now just click on this icon. You can see all the phone call voice conversations that are being converted into text, as you can see here right now. So you can copy also all the phone call conversation, and you can paste it in your notes application also by clicking on this copy, or you can even delete it. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert phone call voice conversation into text in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.